Occasionally, you might receive an assignment where you cannot enter your answers on the document, and you may see Request Edit Access. It may be tempting to click Request, but a faster way to get access would be to make a copy for yourself. To make a copy on the desktop, go to the File menu, then click Make a Copy. When the dialog box appears, add your name to the file name and save the file to your drive. Once you have entered your answers, just close the file. Go back to the assignment and notice on the right a button that says Add or Create. Click the button to add your file from your drive. You should be able to find the file quickly in the Recent tab of your drive. Once the file with your answers has been attached, you can go ahead and turn in your work. The process is very similar on a phone or tablet. Open the assignment. Tap the square with the arrow pointing up and out. This will open the document in Google Drive. This time, instead of seeing Request Edit Access, we see it says View Only. You still can't edit the file. Tap the Overflow menu on the right, tap Share and Export, and then tap Make a Copy. When the dialog pops up, add your name to the file name. Now, the screen no longer says View Only.
Tap the pencil button in the bottom right-hand corner.
The document is editable. Enter your answers, then tap the check mark in the top left-hand corner. Tap the back arrow to return to the assignment. Tap the arrow at the bottom of the screen to show the Your Work section. Tap Add Attachment. Tap Drive and find your file in your drive. Select the file and then tap Select. This will attach your file to the assignment. Tap Turn In to submit your work.